Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Saalim Al Azhari and I will be speaking inshallah at the family break. In fact, I had no choice really. My children kept saying, when is the next family retreat? When is the next family retreat? You know, as a parent, or if you have nieces or nephews, it can be difficult for children or getting children to go certain places or do certain things. But when the children themselves are asking to go somewhere, you know you're onto a winner. So all of the things that the children love, the activities, the workshops, and for adults as well in terms of the lectures, and for me in particular, going through the verses to do with Surah Al-Isra, really bringing these verses to life with what's happening around us in the world is something I'm really looking forward to as well. So please do check it out in terms of how we can benefit emotionally, spiritually, and physically with the activities that we have as well over this weekend. And check out the link below. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.